After it was officially presented online last month, the second-generation Audi A7 Sportback has been granted a U.S. visa, and it will arrive at the 2018 Detroit Motor Show, in January. Its presence in Motor City will mark two premieres, its public debut, and its first arrival in North America, where it's expected to go on sale before the end of next year, Auto News reports. With a fastback styling inspired by the Prologue concept and 100s coupe from 1970, the new-gen Audi A7 continues to challenge the likes of the Mercedes-Benz CLS. It carries a starting price of €67,800, $78,926, in Germany, for the base model, where it will go on sale in February. Audi hasn't detailed each and every trim level yet, but even the most basic models will be well equipped, benefiting from the brand's latest gadgets and features. Customers will have to settle for the 3.0-liter TFSI V6 petrol engine, rated at 340 PS, 335 horsepower, and 500 Nm, 369 pounds-to-foot, of torque, mated to a 7-speed transmission and AWD, which will be the sole choice at launch. However, later on, the executive car will be offered with various 4- and 6-cylinder petrol and diesel units. Audi still has to unveil the S7 and RS7 versions of the new A7 too, so it will be interesting to see whether they plan to do so during the same automotive event.